Today we're going to be installing a set of bar end sliders from Woodcraft on this 2007 Yamaha R6 track bike. Specifically, we're going to be installing their handguard mount variant because we're going to be running lever guards on this bike. This installation is super straightforward and it gives you exceptional crash protection. Let's get to work. Once you get your handguards out of the package, the first thing you're going to want to do is remove the 4mm Allen head screw to remove the slider. These offer a two-piece split aluminum design, so they actually bite on the inside of your bars. So we're going to insert these onto our clip-ons. We're going to insert our 4mm Allen. We're going to tighten these down nice and snug. We don't want these going anywhere. With that secure, it's time to install our lever guard. We're going to be pairing this with a set of Woodcraft lever and hand guards, 7/8" bar. We're going to slide on our hand guard. We're going to tighten this down with a 5mm Allen. Put your lever guards on, tighten it just a little bit, and position it where you want it relative to your levers. And we're going to tighten them down nice and snug. Now that your guard is on the bar, it's time to add our crash protection, which is that puck on the outside. The mount screw is actually recessed into the puck on these Woodcraft sliders, which is really nice because if you get in a crash and it goes sliding, you're able to easily remove it and add a new one of these. We'll line these up with the hole, stick our 4mm Allen in, and we'll finish it off by snugging it down. And just like that, you've installed yourself a set of Woodcraft bar end sliders. Now just repeat this on the other side, and you're good to go.